Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about HD Supply Holdings, and this is the weekly chart. But the most important thing that we are going to discuss here is the big breakout which has happened. Okay, and in the overall chart, which is specifically when we are looking at a big trend, if there is a breakout, so it carries lots of weight and importance. So here we can see first of all that from the lower end of the range the stock has risen 156%. But the thing that we are going to discuss here is about this breakout, okay, which has happened beyond $48, which was your current resistance. Now it will definitely act as a support. So this is the level or the support level which we are going to look and discuss. But this is not the only level, and there are some series of support which is closely related to each other. First, understand this thing, okay? So will have your first support at 47.5, followed by 45.08, then you have 43.39, and you will have 40.98. So all these support levels are very important because the way the stock has moved, it has definitely gone strength to strength. And obviously there are certain scenarios which where the stock definitely comes down and retest its previous resistance, which is now acting as a support. So as you can see, from 40 to $47, these are all your support levels in this particular stock. So obviously, but it is not a point of concern for those who can carry the position for long, or those who are not holding the stock with a fixed time limit. Okay, so although we are going to discuss about the uptrend because the stock has indeed make a big breakout, but it is important to know about your support level. That's why I have first discussed about that, because the first thing, I always say one thing, that the first thing one need to understand and analyze is the risk. Okay, then the only thing which will left for you will be the profit. Now here you can see, now the previous trend, okay, the previous trend started from the lows of $22, and it went up to as high as $47. So while doing this, the stock has indeed make a move of 101%. Now with this breakout, okay, as you can see, with this current breakout, the next level which we will look as our big target will be the same length as it has shown us in the previous sessions. Now what we are expecting here as our target will be the same amount of length, and as you can see, with 101% of that will be $90. So the next target which we are looking at, or the big target which we are looking at in this particular scenario, is $90 on the upside. Let me just tell you, obviously the way the stock is looking, it seems like you will get the target even within a month, but I am not coming with that fixed timeline. Okay, if I see that there is a potential in a trend, and if it takes 15 days rather than 2 or 3 days, I am fine with that. Okay, because what I'm concerned about is, first, I am not losing the principal amount which I have invested, and I am gaining something over that principal amount or on that principal amount. Okay, that's my motto, because we cannot compromise both time and money and energy at the same time, all these three things at the same time. So if you are doing that, then obviously we'll have a problem. You need to sort it out. Okay. And obviously, as I told you, that in any case of negative scenarios, one must look at the levels which will act as a support, but it is depending upon the behavior of the person who is investing their money, or who are investing their money. So everybody comes with different challenges, different targets, different set of parameters. So the way I look is for long term, for I mean couple of months to couple of years. If it happens, so my target is fixed. If it happens before that, then I'm fine. I'll just take my profits and close my position. That's the way I'm thinking. Okay, but everybody has their own thought process, so they need to adjust themselves accordingly. So the way the breakout has happened, okay, it will definitely give you this target. And let me tell you one thing, as you can see, I just drawn a line, and the line simply cross the level which is near to $90. And this is not something which you can call it as a coincidence. This is something which the trend can prove. So I have done or I have used one way, but there are other ways with which technical analysis can get proved. Okay, so it is upon the person who knows about this thing, or who believes that there is something which is called technical analysis, which through which we can understand and read the behavior of the chart patterns or the price action. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.